And now to a 1929 Henderson. Look at this KJ Streamline that's up on the block.
What a machine. I mean, William Henderson designed his four-cylinder motor back in 1911, and it was a really good design. And he built a prototype in 1912 that had a single-cylinder belt drive, four-cylinder, and it was so good. He and his father, who was chief engineer of the Whitten Car Company, put together $150,000 and started manufacturing Henderson motorcycles, but they didn't make any money. It was a very difficult business. They sold their business to Ignaz Schwinn, who had the Excelsior brand already. So they started building four-cylinder bikes as Excelsior-Hendersons. This is the next to the last year. They ceased production in 1930 when the Depression happened to focus on their bicycle business, which is why we still have Schwinn bicycles today, but unfortunately not Excelsior-Hendersons, although someone did try to revive the brand a few years ago, or a couple of decades ago.
Seems like it wasn't that long ago, but it actually was a little bit longer than you might
showing my age.
Well, there you go. Reserve is off, and the bike just sold for an even $100,000.
This bike has just undergone a complete comprehensive restoration. No expense spared. Rare optional A 61 cubic inch V twin engine.